This is Justin Timmons with the Get Smart team of Watson Realty, and I'm here to show you a new construction community over in the Mandarin area of Jacksonville, Florida. It's called Olde Mandarin Estates. This is built by Mattamy, one of the larger builders in the area, and we're just going to be going in and doing a quick tour of the model home, just so you can get an idea of the features and what the builder has to offer. Kind of some quick hits about the community. There's only 83 home sites built on 70-foot lots, which really kind of hard to find now with new construction. Also, it is a gated community, no guard, but a gate, and the monthly dues are just over $100 a month. The floor plan that we're going to be walking into is the Reed. It's 4, 2.5, 3-car garage, and I forgot the square footage, but it'll be on the on this video. You'll see it right about now. All right, well, we can start the tour. Come on. All right, so that wraps up our tour for today. Just be on the lookout for more new construction videos. We're going to be doing them in Jacksonville, St. Johns County, Clay County, and kind of go from there. There's a lot of communities to hit, but we just want to make sure we're giving you valuable information, especially for people that are new to the area, or even if you've been here but you're not out looking all the time, you may not be aware that some of these communities even exist. So if you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Also give us comments, feedback, whatever. We'll read it. All right, see you guys in the next one.